Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching Daily Financial News on Insta TV. Today's news suggesting that business activity in Japan's manufacturing sector is gathering pace has offered strong support to the country's national currency as well as Japanese stock indices. On Tuesday, Japanese stocks were trading in the green. The Nikkei 225 index gained 0.23%, approaching its three-month high. Traders' demand for Japanese stocks and the yen is currently on the rise, as Japan's upbeat Purchasing Managers Index did not only exceed the projections but actually moved upwards, even though economies had predicted otherwise. According to the preliminary estimates, manufacturing activity in Japan picked up speed in November. Instead of edging down to 52.1, the indicator climbed to 52.8 points. It is also worth noting that the Japanese index is the only one seeing a positive trend in the Asian stock market. At present, investors tend to opt for safe haven financial instruments. Despite the recent appreciation of the US dollar, the Japanese yen has also received its share of attention from investors as it saw a renewed buying interest in the currency market. In pre-market European trades, the dollar-yen pair slipped below 122.60. Today, traders' loyalty to the American currency would be challenged as they are awaiting the second US GDP release for the third quarter in the early New York session. The quarterly growth rate of the US economy is likely to be revised upwards from 1.5% to 2%. Moreover, the extreme optimism displayed earlier by currency market participants was somewhat compromised yesterday by the open letter of Fed Chair Janet Yellen. She made it clear that the rate hiking process would not be too steep. Monetary tightening is expected to be gradual in accordance with the U.S. economic growth. As the ICE index remains close to its highest mark over the past 12 years, financial markets have nothing against the Fed's plans to change its policy stance. And this was Daily Financial News on Insta TV. Stay tuned.